Gucci, and today I'm going to show you how to make a ginger fix. Now this drink is incredibly easy to make. All that you need is a spoon, a glass, and a jigger to measure your spirits or your alcohol. The jigger's not really necessary. You could just free pour and use your fingers, but I'm a stickler for consistent quality, so I will be using a jigger obviously today. Alright, so to make this drink, you will need 5 ingredients. You will need scotch, you will need ginger wine. I'm using Stone's Original, obviously. You will need some soda water, you'll need some bitters. You can pick this up from Dan Murphy's for approximately $15, I think, from memory. And you'll need a lemon to garnish. Now, I've cheated and I'm using some dehydrated lemon. Oops! I'm using some dehydrated lemon today. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add 1 shot of whiskey to my glass. I'm then gonna add 2 shots of ginger wine. Now traditionally this recipe only asks for 1 shot, but I like to have 2 shots because I like my ginger flavour to be a little bit more prominent. I'm going to add my bitters, so 2 dashes of bitters. 2. I'm just going to give this a quick stir before I add the ice. And I'm actually also going to add my soda water now. And I'm just going to give that another mix. By doing this, I'm making sure the ingredients are well mixed. I'm then going to add my ice. A bit more mix, and I'm just going to top that up with some more soda water. And then I'm going to add my garnish. And voila, we are done. This is a ginger fix. Cheers. This drink is really lovely. I love the smokiness from the scotch, but also the subtle hint of ginger. It's definitely not overpowering. Those flavors complement each other really quite nicely. This is not a sweet drink, it's quite refreshing. Alright guys, well, if you love ginger and if you love scotch, I definitely recommend that you give this a go. And on that happy note, I'm going to wrap it up. So have a wonderful weekend and I'll catch you next time on Gucci's Cocktail Channel. See you then. Bye.